Hi, today I want to show you my mom's pickles that she always served up with the Malaysian chicken curry, and that was in another video that I did. There are only 3 ingredients in this pickle, and these are part of the seasoning, so I don't call them the ingredients. So it's basically tomatoes, onion and cucumber, and then the optionals are cilantro and scallions. There are some people who hate cilantro, so I'm going to leave that as an optional. And there's only 2 seasonings, the Marukan Rice Vinegar and salt. It's very important to use sweet rice vinegar so it's not so sour. This pickle is so popular that every time I serve it, even to chefs, they all want to have my mom's recipe. We're going to start off with doing the cucumber first. Don't ever start with the red onion because it'll make you cry. And for those of you who are lectin free, definitely take off the skin and also the seeds. And I'm going to use a vegetable peeler. Take the skin off. I love Persian cucumbers, so 4 of those or 1 hothouse cucumber because it has less seeds in it. I actually do like taking the seeds out because it makes the pickle less watery. Chop everything into small cubes. The reason is it's quicker to absorb flavors of the vinegar and salt. And don't throw away any leftover pickles because you can add it to your salads the next day and also use the liquid as a dressing. Tomatoes, I like using the plum or the beefsteak and get them slightly ripe so that they're not so sour. And then the last thing is onions. I like red. I love the flavor of red. It's sweeter, and I love that very unique flavor of red onion, and it makes it a little bit more colorful. But if you like yellow onions, fine. Put enough vinegar so that it comes out about 1/3 of the bowl. I don't worry about measuring things. And if you don't have Celtic salt, you can use sea salt that's been finely ground, but be very careful because this is going to be much saltier. So go light with it. I'm going to add salt in and give it a lovely little stir. And throughout the day, just give it a little stir because it will help for all the ingredients to absorb the flavors. I'm going to add a little bit of lime. I think it makes a difference if you have it. Don't worry if you don't. And you know what? Cooking is all about flavors and how you like your food. That's the beauty of it. So just give it a taste, and if it's not as sour as you like it, add more. Simple as that. That's perfect. So this is it. See how quick that was? So always make this ahead of time. Cover it with a plate or a cling film, leave it in the fridge, and take it out about an hour before you're ready to serve it. If you like scallions in it, I would just chop it. If you find the white too strong, leave that out. Don't you love this knife? It transports all the vegetables. Okay, give it another twirl. My husband doesn't like cilantro, but I add it in anyway and he doesn't seem to mind it. So what I'm telling you is, for those people who don't like it, I would say you don't have to put it in. And if you're worried whether your guests like it or not, I would chop it and leave it on the side in a dish so they can add it in if they want to. I personally think it makes a big difference having cilantro in, but I am going to leave it out for this particular one. I know I always say everything is easy, but this really was a very easy pickle, don't you think? 3 ingredients and just 2 seasonings. Alright, so I know all your friends are going to want to make this as well, so send them over to my channel.